In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails in Brevo. Whether you're new to digital marketing or an experienced pro, sending bulk emails effectively is a crucial part of reaching and engaging with your audience. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To begin with, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Brevo's website. This is where the magic will happen. Once there, log into your account. If you're new to Brevo, there's usually an option to sign up right from the homepage. Having access to an account is important as it gives you the flexibility to manage campaigns efficiently. Once logged in, locate the Contacts section on your dashboard. This is where you'll import your contact list, which is vital for bulk emailing. Brevo conveniently allows you to import contacts from a variety of file formats, like CSV or Excel. And you even have the option to connect Brevo with other platforms where your contacts might be stored. It's also a good idea to consider segmenting your contact list. Segmenting can help you target your email campaigns better by dividing your list into different groups based on various criteria such as demographics, behavior, or past interactions. Not only does this improve engagement rates, but it also enhances the overall effectiveness of your campaigns. With your contacts set up, the next step involves navigating to the Campaigns tab where you'll click on Create a Campaign. Here's where you start building your email. First, decide on the type of campaign you'd like to run. Brevo offers various options, such as regular campaigns or an A/B test if you're looking to optimize and test different elements. After choosing your campaign type, you'll need to give it a name and set your sender information. This includes your sender name and email address, which is what your recipients will see in their inbox. Having a recognizable sender name and email can greatly impact the open rates of your emails, so choose wisely. Moving on to customization, this is the part where you get to be a little creative. You will choose your email design, add a compelling subject line, and fine-tune any additional settings to reflect your brand's tone and message. Make sure everything looks great and functions correctly, as the design plays a significant role in catching and holding your audience's attention. Finally, you'll arrive at the stage where you choose to either preview and test your email or schedule it for later. Testing is crucial as it allows you to see how your email will appear to others and gives you a chance to catch any errors. Alternatively, if you're confident, you can schedule your email to send at a future date and time when you think your audience is most likely to engage. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully set up and prepared to send a bulk email campaign using Brevo. Remember, practice makes perfect, and as you get more comfortable with these steps, you'll start to identify new strategies and techniques to further enhance your email marketing efforts. Happy emailing!